So we'll see the cron tab. So one or two small examples. Usually cron tab 80 commands are better in the end of the sessions. Okay. So why? Because of this kind of stuff. Okay. So we'll see what is this cron tab. Cron tab is for a scheduling job. Okay. Scheduling job part only, like a AT and batch. Cron tab is also same, but it is a regular interval of time. It is a regular interval of time. Scheduling a job in regular interval of time. I will explain what it is in minutes, hours, days, like that. We can able to schedule it. Actually, I have a very good picture is there, but we'll see. I will try. There is a command also there, so we'll try on a command also. Just now only I started now, but why this is showing like this? No. Login as a root, admin at rate 123. So anyway, I put a static IP address. So obviously for VMnet 1, I use that one only. Same settings, appearance 22, apply. Root admin at the rate 123. So finally, I'm in a root. Okay, so login as a root. So this machine and this is root. Guys, look at here. So for a configuring cron tab like this, there is a details of cron tab. Maybe here it is possible. etc cron d cron daily cron tab is there. So this is the point is important. So copy enter this thing, put it in a text file. Okay. So I check the cat space. So etc cron tab. This is the cron tab configuration file. What is etc? Configuration file stores in etc directory. Cron tab, the configuration of cron tab. So look at here, there is a stars are there. The first star represent minutes. First star represent minutes. Okay, the first star represent minutes. So you can give minutes from 0 to 59 minutes, not 60 minutes, 59 minutes. That's the first, whatever the representation you'd given. You given 10 means 10 minutes. Hours. Hours. You can give hours in a 24 hours format, 0 to 24 hours format. 0 to 23. 24 means again 0. The second part is date or a day of month. Date. Which date? Day of month or a date. So date means complete set, but day of month is like a day. 1 to 131 depends upon your type of month you are using. Next one is the month. So month is 1 to 12 month, or you can use Jan like that. So Jan, Feb like that you can use also. Next one is week. Which week? Like a Monday, or 0 to 6. Remember, 0 or 7 in a week. 0 or 7 means Sunday. Okay. So 1 is Monday, 6 is Any as it is. Okay, so remember this point. Guys, look at here. If I want to schedule a task, again, last time as I said, scheduling means I want to update, I want to check the connectivity, I want to refresh or reboot, or I want to take a backup, I want to take a backup, I want to copy all the files, or I want to install some application, I want to install some application, I want to uninstall some application, I want to run a script, I want to run a script. That is also I will write run script in a particular time. Run the script set but non a particular time. So like that we can able to schedule a task. But in AT and batch, AT command, remember AT command is 0 to 24 hours format. So 00 to 23:59 up to here only we can do it. Not daily. Only within the next 24 hours we can able to schedule it. So it meaning is only next 24 hours only we can able to schedule, not daily. Okay, but in a cron tab, you can schedule a job daily, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly. You can able to schedule it. Okay, so here if you are telling like this, star, 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 like this, meaning is run the task. So I put a task like this, run the task. So I put a, instead of task, I put a cmd1, okay, command or a t1, like that you can run cmd1 task for every minute. Every minute run this one. Meaning is that one. Okay. So next 0, 9, 09 star 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 cmd2. For example, this is run cmd2 command. Okay. Every day, irrespective of what month, what year, what month, what week it is. Every day run cmd2 at morning 9 o'clock. Meaning is that one. Okay. 30, 21. Sorry, 30, yeah, 20. MD3. Meaning is run CMD3 every day at 8:30 p.m. or you can say 20:30. 24 hours format. Guys, understand the scheduling, that star marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for example, 0, 10 day, right? So first or fifth. So I put a fifth star star. Okay, totally 5 things should be there. CMD4 run CMD for every month, irrespective of what month or what week it is, on 5th of the month. Every month on 5th day at 10 a.m. run the command. Okay, so like this you can put it like a maybe 0, 21 star 6 no not 5 cmd 5 run cmd 5 every month on Friday because 5, right? So 5 on Friday at 21:00 or 9 p.m. Run this command. So like that we can able to specify. Okay, so you want to specify a particular month also. Okay, for example, April May is a end of the financial year, no, like a March 30th financial year, March 31st or April 1st, March 31st or April 30 is a financial year, right? So I want to do some running command. So morning or evening 30:22 means night 10:30. Whatever the day it is, day is 30th. Month is 4 April. Whatever the week it is. We don't mind about week. So on 4th April, on April 30 at 10:30 run this task. Okay, run cmd 6. Okay, irrespective of what week it is, on 6 on April 30 at 22:30 or 10:30 p.m. run this task. Okay, guys, this is particular time. Few other things are also there. For example, in the cron tab, I want to schedule like every 10 minutes, like this, every 10 minutes. Okay, you can see this is a crontab.guru is also telling. So every 10 minutes you can specify like this. So you put a whatever it is, it will see minutes, hours, daily kind of stuff. Okay, this is every 10 minutes. /10 star 1 2 3 4. Meaning is cmd7 run cmd7 for every 10 minutes or every 2 hours. You can also run like every 2 hours. 0 /2 star cmd 8. For every 2 hours in a particular 00 time means now if I am running now, it won't run. It is run at a 4 o'clock. 4:00. Okay, 4 o'clock means 16:00 as per the current time. Again, it runs at 2 hours, right? So means it will be added like 18:00, 20:00, like that. Okay, every 2 hours. Also, you can try like this. You can /2. So what is the meaning of that one? So you can try every hour. So step value, range value is also there. So instead of running morning to evening, I can specify the ranges also. I can able to range. For example, same example. Want to run this task for every 15 minutes, but morning 9 to evening 7 only, or maybe 6 only. Okay, morning 9 to evening 6. For every 15 minutes, run this command. Run cmd9 for every 15 minutes from 9002 every 15 minutes from 9002 to 1800. Okay, so means 9, 9:15, 9:30, 9:45, 10, 10:15, 10:45, like that it will run. So this is the most important for your cron tab. Remaining is how to do practically. How to do practically kind of stuff. We'll try it. So first of all, to implement practically, we need to plan first. Which one you want to implement? Okay, so here we don't define particular time, but only we define this kind of hours time only. Okay. For defining these things, of course, we want to see the result immediately. So compulsory check the current date and time. Okay, now important thing is, guys, do you understand this or not? The stars. Good. If you want more, then you can go to anything. Just you can go to any site about a cron tab. Just ask for a cron tab. You can go to any site. There it is given. So like this. Also these fields, and you can understand different with examples. Okay, what is this example? What is this example? What is this? What is this? Okay, like this. Different sites are giving different information. Okay, so I most trust one is of course Red Hat. For columns, you can check in Stack Overflow, Linux Hint, some Guru 99 kind of stuff. India based. How many are there for a theory part? So first of all, I want to implement. So my implementation is for every 1 minute. Okay, every minute, run date command. Put it in a /root. So I'm implementing in on a root only, on a /root df. So 1 is already there. So this time I put a df2. Okay, it is there or not, I don't remember. So then I put a like this. Every 1 minute, run this command. Put the date output into df12. So better to give full path. Okay, it is always better. Okay. Next, now it is a 3:40. Now it is a time is 3:40. So I will take 10 minutes difference because implementation is also there now. So on 3:50, it means now only today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow also it will run. Okay, so put a date /root/df3. Okay. What is one task it is? So why we will need like that? Yeah. So what I'm doing is I want to copy a files from data1 to data11 directory. All files in the data11 should be copied with the recursive. I want to copy at this time. No. This is I will implement separately. I'll put a */5 stars. Okay, every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes. Okay, next 15. Every 5 minutes, what are the data in the data1 should be copied into data11. Okay. This is we have to do some task. I am not okay. Echo. Now the time is $. Yeah, date hyphen plus percentage D percentage B percentage capital Y. Okay, so this is better. Go to so DF 3. Okay, three things at present we are going to implement. So we'll see what is going to be happens. These things we are going to implement. So first of all, to do this one, go to edit the cron tab. Cron tab space hyphen L. So cron tab is not yet installed. So cron tab hyphen E for editing. So it is like a VA editor. So press I, implement these things. So we are already think about it. So then I am implementing. Very good. So copy this thing. Once you are copied, look at I already copy pasted. You want to add anything, you can add it also. Just I feel it is okay like this. LS, you can see DF 1, 2, 3 kind of stuff is not there. You can see L. So these are all implemented. So data 11 directory is not there. I'm going to create data 11 directory. Okay. LS data 11 ls data 1. In data 1 you have a files da1 f1 f2 is there in data 1. In data 11 nothing is there currently. Okay, so once it is run, data in the data 1 is going to be in a data 11. Next, so this df2 will be created or not, check it. Yes, df2 is created. df2 is created. Now df3 is not yet created, but it is created. Okay, so check it what is there in a df2. So exactly at 44, again 45, 46, every 1 minute date will be added. That to append mode. Okay, so df3 will be created at this time with this information inside. So you have to wait 350 and every 5 minutes. So 5 minutes completed or not, we have to check it. Data 11. So ls, check the data 11. Yes, see data 11 files are copied. Earlier it is not there. Now it is there. Every 5 minutes. Now I'm putting some more data because next 5 minutes it's going to think. So you can see now it is 55 in a 50, 1550. Again next copy will occur. So meanwhile what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some files in data 1. F1, F2 is already there. I put a F3. .6 means I'm creating a some certain files. Yeah. So added a 3 more files. These files are not there in a 1.1. Look at here. These files not there in a data 1.1 at present. But after checking a 5 minutes means 1550, these 3 files will be copied to this data 1.1. These 4 files will be copied to this data 1.1. Next, at 350, where is this? At exactly at 350, this will be executed and put it into this file, so we can able to see it. Meanwhile, I will copy, guys. Anybody having any doubts, please tell me. Scheduling a task or anything. I'm using a root here for so no need to get any problems with that kind of stuff. Any user can use it generally. So your cron tab, what is there in the cron tab by -L? To edit the cron tab, -E is enough. There is a lot of ways to do it, but I'm doing like this. Okay, yeah, we have to wait another 2 minutes for our next result. So guys, understand, not understand anything, please. Afternoon is also difficult for me. Just I'm trying to complete, it is not completing at all. So the thing is we are successfully completed maybe 1 or 2 days late. The Linux is not at all completing. Okay. So the final we are waiting for a next 5 minutes. Now it is we have a 1 minute to go. So here it is. What is the time? Yeah. 55 now 50. So we have to wait for a data 11. It is 3 files are copied. Okay, these files are copied because of every 5 minutes. What are the data in the data 1? What are the data in the data 1 will be copied to data 11. See, it is like it's a kind of backup, right? I don't know. I'm speaking to myself. It is better I become a YouTuber than teaching a class. Because both the same, right? I have to record myself speaking to myself only. No interaction. Yeah, one more is there. So ls -df3 is created. No such a file. Why? Why it is not created? df3 crontab space -l. Go to crontab space -l. It's better to type. So this is the command. Should be executed. Right. So what is the column? Yeah, this is, and should we go to this file? And where is that file? Normally it should be in our local machine only. So find it, locate df3, find name df3, no df3s. Something is happened, this is not running. Command is correct. Everything is correct. Otherwise, we can edit. We can edit. So -e. So this is 55. I will change it to insert. Press I. 52, right? So I put a 54. Same thing only, but it is. I will put a slash root. Slash. We'll see. Echo is correct. So nothing, no difference in it. 15 only. Okay, 2 minutes are there. Next, ls space data 1, ls space data 11. Same data. Now I'm creating some more data for next 5 minutes. Touch data 1. I'm creating another 4 files. f7.10. Okay. Now can you see ls data 1 something around 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 files are created. ls data 11. It is having only f1 to f6 only. 7, 8, 9, 10 is not there. So it will be copied from data 1 to data 11. It will be copied in the next 5 minutes, means when 15:55, this time it will be created. What I want to do is I want to watch the time. Watch -n 1 means 1 second date. So instead of checking date, we can do it. Yeah, 54 quit. What happened? Q for quit. Quit. Space, enter, escape. Why it is not quitting? Q for quit, na? Control C, better. Control C. So what is the date? 54. ls df3 is created or not? Not created. Not created. There is some problem is there. Not created. Maybe there is some hours are correct. 15 hours. 55 minutes. Correct only. 54 minutes. Correct only. Yeah, 55. Control C to come out. So there is a certain files. So go to 11. Same. So every 5 minutes, it's like a backup. It's a kind of auto scheduling. This is about your Crontab, guys. If you no longer require, you don't want no longer require this kind of stuff. For example, every minute one more is there now. Every minute, see this. Every minute, date is adding to df2 file. Every minute, date is adding to this one. Every minute. Every 5 minutes, data is copying to data 11 directly from data 1 every 5 minutes. This is every minute. Like that, we can able to schedule. So compulsory know the star ranges, guys, how to schedule the task. Okay, I given lot of references. You can try. Okay, so this is correct only, but it is not working now. So we will. It's okay, no problem. It's not a big deal now. Point is, that's it. Okay. We can put a different things like a ping command. You can do it. Otherwise, we'll do. Zero means 0, 16 *** ping -c1 to 172.16.011, sorry, 101. Put it in a CF 123. New Crontab installing. See, add one more thing. That's it is showing new Crontab. So at 4 o'clock, this command will run. Okay, this command will run. This output is going to this file at 4 o'clock. So we finally will wait it. Anybody, please guys, please tell me anything you understand, not understand, listening, not listening, able to see.
Understand, sir.
Understand, then good. Okay, this is a schedule tag because it's a very important. You know, nowadays people are telling automation. Why I'm telling like this? Because it's a automation. Automation, artificial intelligence, you know, spy bots kind of stuff. What is all this thing nonsense? It is like a people sell robotics, artificial intelligence. You must learn, and you paid a 1 lakh rupee, 2 lakh rupee, learn the course. After that one, no job, nothing. Because of people don't understand basic necessities, basic things, and there are want to jump into the big conclusions. Okay, so you're trying very big. Here in a very small thing it is. Very simple. It is an automation. Crontab is a first step to automation. Okay. So this Crontab is fixed to our Linux machine. AT Crontab AT for single machine or multiple machines, but runs on you can do it for multiple machines, runs on bash. So more load on server. That is another problem. In Windows, can go better to go to comp.mgmt.msc. There is also scheduling task is there. Scheduling task is there. It's a 4 o'clock. Yeah. So open. See it is task scheduler. In Windows, you can see a task scheduler. Basic task, create task, import task. You can schedule a task for your backup or anything for updates, for sending something like a task scheduler in Windows task scheduler, but it is more burden on a machines. In Windows task scheduler, backup scheduler, AT command works. Okay. So what is the meaning of learning this one? Also we can ask to go to centralized task scheduler. We can schedule a task from central machine. Okay. We can schedule a task from central machine, so all tasks will be generated, controlled from the central machines. Scheduler plus task scheduler applications are there. Okay, it's a server control schedules. Run in client PCs. devices like update, backup, anything. So like a readme control M. One of the application is control M, autosys, control M. These are all belongs to that one only. Easy centralized monitoring of the your task. So I schedule a task in from control M application in that server. It runs the task into client devices. Same for a control M and autosys, both are there. So yeah, it's almost 4 o'clock now. So that is again check the time. So this is the command I said now to run. So this file will be created ls. Sorry, cf123 is created. Yes, it is created. Cat cf123. This is output. Okay, like this also you can able to add it. Okay, both text and video both will be followed. Guys, understand? This is task scheduling is very important. So people think automation means it is a different point, but it is nothing more different from here. Okay, so it is single machine. I'm doing task scheduling. Think about there is 100 computers. You can schedule a task from one single machine using certain applications or scripting, and you run. You can able to do it. Okay, in Windows you can use a task scheduler using AT command. Of course, you can use PowerShell also possible. Because nowadays you have to tell there is a possibility of PowerShell. Okay, so take a break, guys. Take 10-15 minutes break.